Hello, and today you are looking at an automatic Jessup barrel line brought to you by Lanco Corporation. This barrel line is 21 stations overall and has 11 22 by 48 inch barrels. I'll walk you down the process. There's a lot of spare parts that come along with this line, assuming that it is purchased from on location. These tanks are going to be pumped the third week in January and will be ready to ship by February 1st. Here is the load hopper to load the parts bins in. They then come down the chute, which comes into the tilt hopper, which has a 1-ton CM Lodestar hoist. The parts then will, when the shuttle cart is down at this end, the parts will then load into the barrel. The barrel will then be shuttled down to the start of the line. I'll walk down there in just a moment. I'll show you the back side here of the line on the unload station. So when the parts come back down after being Alkaline Zinc plated, they will be come down, dumped, set back on the trolley cart. The trolley cart will then shuttle halfway back in between, where you have your choice of chromate tanks if you so choose, followed by 3 24 by 24 Desco spin dryers. These dryers are steam heated. We will show you the back side of these dryers as we walk down the line. As soon as that is finished, there is a pneumatic hoist that does come down here along this trolley, sets the basket back into this unloader, which it then dumps back into your parts bins. I will now walk along here where you can see the Jessup control panel. You can also follow along on the tank layout that we will provide online. You see you've got some various temperature controllers for the soak clean. Here is the rectifier remote. We will show you that as well. It's a 6,000 amp, 15 volt rapid rectifier. As we come along and start in the line here, Station 1, you have a rinse. All of these tanks are fiberglass. They all are up on I-beams for easy removal, easy reinstallation. That pipe there is also a push air blower. As you'll see, the pipe comes up and it does push air across some of these tanks. That will also be included. The Jessup hoist is an 800-pound hoist. As you can see, it is cable lift, does have upward rotation, very smooth, very nice condition. We will run it for you in just a moment. Tank 1 here is a single station rinse. Tank 2 and 3 are an alkaline cleaner. Tank 4 and 5, also an alkaline cleaner. Tank 6 is a rinse. Tank 7 is a rinse. That's actually a counterflow rinse between 6 and 7. Then you get into Station 8 and 9, which is an acid tank. Station 10 is a rinse. Station 11 and 12 are both rinses. And Station 13 is a single station rinse. Station 14 was also a rinse. And then you have followed by 6 stations in alkaline zinc. All of the baskets are included. Anode baskets are included. All of the gear drives, all of the motors are in very nice shape. This would be a very nice plug-and-play system. Also a zinc chloride system that is included on the back side here. You will see the slimline zinc filter. Average condition, I would say, does not leak. On the top of the mezzanine is the 6,000 amp 15 volt rapid rectifier. You can see up on the top. We will have still photos of that. All of the superstructure is included. The dimensions of this line, the actual line itself from outside to outside of these vertical uprights is 12 feet. The height from the floor to the highest point is 11 feet. And the overall length is 80 feet. The overall width from the outside of the line here, if you so choose to keep it in the same configuration, to the outside of the load station where the shuttle cart goes, is 30 feet wide. We will also try our best to salvage the hoods that come along with it, but cannot guarantee that those will be able to stay. The trunk line is staying with the building. Included up on top of the mezzanine, there is a 16,000 amp, Viron exhaust blower, which is PVC, that there will be still photos of as well. So
that's your home station right there. That's good.
Here's the hoist in the home station. It's currently being operated on automatic via the program at the PLC control.
This is what the barrel is.